Yeah? Yes, YouTube, at Atlantis today, it is insanely busy. Apparently it's the busiest time of the year. Who knew that? Anyway, let's go and get on some rides. Yeah? Still recording. Say hi. Say hi, say hi, Baba. Say hi. Just been on Shockwave, and that was freezing. Like, I've literally got goosebumps. Hopefully gonna have time to go through the aquarium on the slide. I'm not sure though, the queues are taking quite a while. Hopefully that'll be the last ride at day though. Let's go see. Just finished on Leap of Faith, went through the shark tank, couldn't see a thing. Hopefully the GoPro picks it up. I need to dry off now, I'm freezing. Whoa. I am back 2 days later after visiting Atlantis and finally getting round to giving my verdict on the place. Been very busy. Been out shopping, got some new sunglasses for my last day in Dubai. As you do. I have been looking for some sunglasses for a while though, and some may wonder why buy sunglasses on the last day of your holiday. They will come in useful in the UK. In winter we have relatively short days, so low sun a lot of the time while driving, so that'll help me out quite a bit. Also, we've been out, we met a family on the hot air balloon ride. I'll put a link to the video up above. They took us out for some traditional Arabic food, seafood as well. Went to a restaurant called Al Jalboot, and what a jalboot is a old fishing boat, which I did manage to capture one the last time I was here in Kite Beach. I will also put that on screen now. And amongst all that, been doing some content promotion on Instagram, so if you don't follow me on Insta, links in the description down below, and you will have already seen a reel with some of the content that's on this video from Atlantis. Anyway, Atlantis, would I recommend it? Yes, in a slightly warmer climate. The rides were very cold water, which is understandable, but when it's only 25, 27 degrees, you get cold quite quickly. And there was also a lot of waiting around, up to an hour for some of the water rides. Didn't manage to get on everything, I got on most of the big ones. So with that, I would advise you should get a fast track pass, which is about another 100 UK pounds. Expensive, but definitely be worth it. The amount of people you could see just constantly going on a ride round and round and getting on in front of everyone. But at the time we didn't know it'd be that bad, so we didn't bother getting a fast pass. But that is what I would say you should do if you're ever visiting Atlantis at this time of the year, especially. Get a fast pass. I'm speaking to a few people, it's not as busy in British summertime, mainly because of the temperatures, but I wouldn't see the temperatures being an issue because the queues for the rides are indoors, the water's cold, so if I was to visit again, that's when it would be. That's my verdict on Atlantis. It's the last day here now, Dubai. On Kite Beach again, so quite busy midweek. Just going to enjoy last little bits of sun, pack her stuff, get to the airport. This will be on YouTube in 2022, however it's the last video I've recorded in 2021, so happy new year to you all. Make sure you meet those New Year's resolutions. And now I said on the beach, it was my last video of 2021, or filming in 2021. I'm actually going to do another now, which I had mentioned in my early videos. Cinnabon unofficial challenge.
Don't know if the camera picked that up, but there's someone ragging it past. This is a mega bon. It's meant to feed 4 to 6 people. I can't remember how many it said. I will try and find some information on that. Gonna get this recorded now, hopefully complete it, first go, no messing about. Happy New Year.